Okay, this is the last video before we close the walls. This is the bedroom. This will be the light switches and stuff at the side of the bed. So we'll have a door here so we can go directly to the bathroom from the sleeping room, and we're gonna make a small locker here. We're gonna have some 2 spotlights inside, floor heating, spotlights, light switch, door. This is the hallway where we chose to only use one light in the hallway. One light switch there, one light switch there, and here we have the open solution right there, so we can look right into the living room. And here's the new bathroom. It's about 10 square meters. This is the isolation on the floor, and here's the shower. I think we'll go for 80 times 1 meter or 90 times 1 meter. We wanted to go with 90-90, but because of the sink it will be a little tight maybe with 90. Alright, we'll have a washing machine right over here. Let's go into the living room. This will be the couch area with the TV on the wall right there. Yep. This is for the internet. This is the kitchen. Get the focus here. Hang it right up here. There's the ventilator contact. Yeah. Fridge. Alright, so I'll start closing up now. Closing the walls and do the rest of the isolation.